Hi, I'm new here. You're probably wondering who this random person is on the CJ Pony Parts YouTube. If you know me, if you don't know me, my name is Morgan Drifts. I drift a New Edge Mustang, and I've had the wonderful pleasure of working with CJ Pony Parts this past year. And they called me up and said, hey, we're doing a guest builder series. We want you to be the first. I was nervous, not gonna lie. They let me touch this really expensive S650 behind me. I don't know why. But they did, so I'm really glad that I was able to do that. So I'm just stoked to be able to be a part of this cool project series and show you guys who I am, show you guys what I love to do, which is play with Mustangs all day, every day. And I hope that maybe I'll be back. This is my car. If you saw this shirt out at Mustang Week, maybe you bought one. Thank you if you did. You let me eat another day. I was able to eat for like 4 days after Mustang Week. But this is my shirt, this is my car. It's beautiful. Thank you. So I am honored to be the first female builder featured on CJ Pony Parts YouTube channel. I pride myself on knowing how to work on all of my own cars and being self-taught. I do work on the race car, but I have a few other Ford vehicles in my fleet, and I make sure that I'm able to maintain those and keep them up to date and do whatever I need to do on the vehicle. And that long history of me busting my knuckles, breaking things, making things work, part of the time making them work, not all the time. I am finally able to showcase my passion and work on a CJ car with them. When I work on my own race car, most of the time I don't have hands to help. Thankfully, I do have hands now. This is CJ's guest builder series. So each video will be a step of the build we have done. We played with suspension, we played with lighting, we did some exterior upgrades, and I don't want to give away too much, but some of these parts were the first people to install them and put them on an S650. After driving many hours to get up to Pennsylvania from North Carolina, the first thing they put me in charge of was the RideTech coilover system. It was not the easiest thing that we've done on this car, but it was super fun to learn and challenge myself, and it honestly was a lot easier than I thought it would be. It made the car drive so much better, it looked a lot cooler, and made the steering feel more responsive and aggressive, but it was still comfortable to daily drive. I probably had the most laps in an S650 on a drift track, so it was super fun to switch it up and build this for the street. Stick around to watch all the episodes to watch this S650 turn into the ultimate CJ car street build.